Ngicela kulesikhathi lesi si-appreciate futhi sibongeni Makhi Sqwaba. Yeah, simbongeni kakhulu especially eMpumalanga. You know what? Besingathi thina ukuthi Facebook inemali iyabhadara and all that. Besingakwathi lo. And sonke most of us sibone yena saba inspired sakhuthala ku social media. Ngifuna kusho ukuthi banda bakutshelana into. Banda bakhulumi. Umuntu angathola into lenemandla ubinza athi phu adle ngethi nimbone aphumelela manje ngibuta nithi ndoda kwenda njani athi I focus hard work. Mara ngakutshela uzona njani. Siyabonga seswethu. Siyabonga sifuna kusho nje ukuthi siyabonga and you really did a good thing. Sonke nje sesiyoqala kuyibamba leyo mali ngenxa yokuthi usitshelile ukabi nemona bowungathula udle wedwa but ukhombise bunvu nekuthi awufuni bantu kuba bona bangaphumeleli kanzi indlela lephumelelisako so uyayadi. Thank you so much. May you keep up. uNkulunkulu akubusise nema followers akakhule kakhulu. Thank you Sqwaba.